Oh, the sun is washing me out, y'all. Hold up. I don't actually remember what I was saying. I feel like it was something good though. As you get older, you stop worrying less and less about what other people have to say. But until you get there, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to help you rock your natural hair with confidence. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Jenn, of course. Welcome back. Today's video, we are going to discuss confidence. Confidence wearing your natural hair and kind of like confidence in general. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Before we get started though, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. Also follow me on Instagram and apparently TikTok now, because why not? Confidence is something that you work on and you get better and better with time. I truly believe that. Being confident is a choice that you make. You wake up one day and you decide you want to be confident. It's a big one. It's the foundation to becoming confident. You have to want it. You have to decide. So first thing first, decide that you want to be confident. That's how it starts. Is it something that's been eating at you? Have you been thinking about it for a while? Or are you saying, I wish I was more confident walking my natural hair? Well, stop wishing. Let's get you out of the wishing stage into action. Decide that you want to be confident. Number 2, find hairstyle that makes you comfortable. Hairstyle that you'd like to wear, your go-to styles. Styles that you have perfected. When I first went natural, one thing that I was not really good at was styling my hair. I just didn't know how to style it. So I had to learn. I had to take the time to learn, and I was really bad with twist outs. So I kind of put those to rest. What was my thing? Bend to knot out. Oh my God, girl, I could rock a bend to knot out. So I figured out a style that I liked. I kind of wore it over and over until I branched over to other styles. But find some hairstyle that you like. Find some hairstyle that you know is true and tested, is not going to disrespect you like a twist out will. Find some hairstyles that you are confident wearing, that you want to wear, and build confidence on those hairstyles. So do them over and over, and once you feel good, once you know you look good, it's easier to be confident. It's easier to rock your natural hair because you know you look good. You know you woke up flawless today. So it doesn't really matter what somebody else has to say. Once you find styles that you love, that you don't have to fight, then it's easy to be confident from that point on, or it's easier. Number 3, we are literally blazing through this point. I don't know how, this video is gonna be super short. Number 3 is to set realistic goals around your natural hair, okay? I say this because if you're natural, but you are comparing your hair to somebody else's hair, you want curls, you want less shrinkage, you want length, especially when we first go natural. I feel like we measure the success of our journey based on length. So we're chasing something that we don't have currently. I'll take care of my hair when it's longer, or I will be confident wearing my hair when it's longer. Well, it starts now. You should start building confidence today, because guess what? When your hair is longer, you're still not going to know what to do with it. So that's not actually going to help you. And this one's a big one, because if you're constantly battling your hair, if you're constantly comparing your hair to other people's hair, if you're wishing that your hair was different every single time you wear it, then that is not going to help you. Set realistic goals. Know what your hair is capable of. Know what your hair can do, and stay in your lane. Stop trying to change your hair. That's a whole different battle that you're going to have to fight, while you're also building confidence at the same time. So make it easier on yourself. Set realistic goals, especially when it comes to length goals. I feel like a lot of us have that mentality that, oh, I'll rock my natural hair when it's long. I'll be able to take care of my hair when it's long. So set realistic goals. Stop comparing your hair with somebody else's hair that doesn't even have the same texture as you do, and that's actually going to help you build confidence around wearing a natural hair faster. And I could even add another point that I'm thinking right now. I didn't even write this point down, but another point that I'm thinking to build confidence wearing your natural hair is to watch other people with your hair texture that wears their natural hair. So now you know what to expect. You know what your hair is capable of. You know what your hair is supposed to look like. You know what your hair is supposed to feel like if you surround yourself with people with the same hair type or texture or characteristic as yours. So now you're not comparing your hair. You're not comparing your results. You're not comparing your style. And that's going to help you build more confidence faster or easier. You need to make peace with your hair first before you can tell somebody else confidently that your hair is all that and a bag of chips. Number 4, practice. Yes, you need to wear your natural hair so that you are confident wearing your natural hair. I know it's easier said than done, but a lot of us didn't grow up wearing our natural hair, right? Some of us haven't seen our natural hair for years or decades. So I can understand the struggle. When I say practice, I'm not saying that you could never wear a weave or a wig or whatever. That's fine. It's just that you need to constantly wear your natural hair so that it becomes second nature to you and you don't feel like you need to hide her. Because if you're constantly hiding your hair, you're not going to be confident wearing your natural hair out. It's a fact. That's one of the reasons why I felt like I stopped wearing wigs, because every time I would take it off, I just felt like my natural hair just wasn't good enough or wasn't as long or thick, or suddenly I just felt some sort of way about my own hair. So I didn't feel like it was worth it for me. Anyways, back to the point. If you want to be confident with your natural hair or wearing your natural hair, then you have to wear your natural hair. And at first, maybe you're going to have to force it a little bit, but it's going to come and you're going to love her and you are going to be confident wearing her. My last point is to understand that natural hair is superficial. And I say this given that I have a whole platform around natural hair. I love and care for my natural hair, and I know you do too. You love and you care natural hair, and you want to be confident wearing her. This is why you're watching this video. But I say this because hair is technically superficial. Once you build confidence from within, you build your character, you build your self-worth. There's so much more that we bring to the table than our hair. And once you realize that and you work on different aspects of your life, then it's easier for you to be confident wearing your natural hair. So I would say focus on building a sense of self-worth. Be kind to other people. Be the best version of yourself that you can be. Once you have that confidence and know who you are as a person, once you build your character, then hair is superficial. It's second nature. If someone wants to attack you because of your hair, you know that you are not your hair. You become confident the second you decide to be confident. That's basically what I want you guys to take from this video. Hope that it was helpful. I hope that you got something out of it. If you have any tips or tricks for someone that could be reading your comment, leave a comment below. Share your tips, share your tricks. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. On your way out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button as well. That helps me out. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.